On a count of 3.
You can give them that.
1, 2, 3.
Kuja kunyikiriza kozese urujung Nortor. My name's Mr. Ray. I'm the elder brother to Rachel. And then as you see all of these guys here, we are brothers and sisters. And then to live against Rachel, all of us here. As I told you, I'm Ray. Today, I'm very, very happy and very grateful. Semeriro muno, 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 muno. This is the day that I've been looking for. Nadia, today, we've given it to Jamil. And Jamil, please, quote my words today. We've given you a treasure which is full of diamonds, gold, and every treasure that you know in life. It's Rachel. And she has, I think, the most beautiful love in life. Because she loved us, we loved her. As I told you that she follows me, so me, I know her very, very, very well. And Rachel, please, also you see Jamil. Jamil has a very big family the way you've seen. Learn his manners and then the parents' manners, the sisters and everything. So that at least you can also catch up with them. Always welcome them and always give them the love they need.
Today, Jamil, today is a colorful day. For sure, today I'm filled up with joy. Too much joy that at least my brother, my friend, my everything, you've made it. Congratulations. I'll give a brief background in English. I will use the best language I upload. Jamil is my name, Jamil is your name. Why is it that both of us we are Jamil? I believe that I'm your role model. And I believe that this function to take place, I've provoked you a lot. Jamil was my best man. And today, I'm your curtain raiser. Very proud and very happy of you. They told us that Nadia is a gift. Jamil is a treasure in our family. The principles that you've been using of bridging the gap in our family, I pray that are the same principles you use. Nina isano lingi olunaku lwa leero kugamba n'ebigambo biyinza okunnema okukoba ku lwa Jamil. Ayenda kusaba mugane kubanga olunaku luno lw'abantu bano tetujja kulwiramu. For us we are Muslims. Because baba kulwiramu tujja kulwiramu na Nadia. Liramu only.